Hello everyone, my name is Ashanti Jones and I will briefly be explaining to you all how I organized the data for our class project found in Module 0. Let's see. So I broke it down into steps. So organizing the data for me occurred in 5 separate steps. Step 1 was to download the Google spreadsheet that was titled Do Not Change the Name of the File _ questionnaire from Newton's book Spreadsheet, and this was created in Module 0. And so I download that and save it with a new name. Step 2 was to upload the files into SPSS, Step 3, in SPSS data view, remove all information that is not needed and replace all words with numbers. Step 4 consisted of, in SPSS in the variable view, updating the names, labels, change type to numeric, and enter values. And then the final step, step 5, in SPSS, select the graph and select box plot, simple, and summaries of separate variables, enter desired variables for the box plots, and then click OK. So next I will break down each of these steps. So in step 1, I downloaded the Google spreadsheet, and so clicking on the link that was found in our in Moodle under Module 0, there is an option in that actual Google spreadsheet where you select File, go down, select Download, go over and click Excel, and then it will give you the option to download it onto your computer. Step 2 is to upload files to SPSS. So if you open up the SPSS application and select File, Import Data, and then select Excel, it will open up a screen where you can go in to the actual file that you saved it under when you downloaded it, the spreadsheet from Moodle. And then you can select that file, and then it will allow you to open it. Once you have the file uploaded into SPSS, it will pull up in the data view screen. And if you are not in the data view screen, if you look at the bottom of your screen, the bottom left tab, and click data view in order to clean up the data. So this is when I took the time to remove all information that was unnecessary. So I just kind of highlighted sections and then did a right click and then cut and just removed all of the information that I did not need. So I did that with all the variables I was not using, as well as the rest of the participants. So I used 25 participants just because it gave me better data plots than the 10. And so all of the participants I cut out of this data set. I also changed all numbers, all words with numbers. So where it stated female, male, I'll change those by doing clicking on edit and then selecting the find and then clicking replace and then entering the word that I wanted it to find and then the number I wanted to replace it with. And so in this case I replaced males or M with 0 and females with 1. Next I changed the names, the label type, and the value. So just making sure that I updated it to what I wanted, that a shorter, more shortcut version, and then the label that gave the explanation of what that is. Made sure all of these said numeric so that I can do a box plot, and then added the value. So for this case it was between 1 and 7, and I kept the range the same and just entered in what the value was for each section. Finally, step 5, I selected graph, clicked on box plot, entered simple, and then summaries of separate variables. I entered in the 2 variables that I wanted to focus on, and then I clicked OK. Those results gave me the following box plot. So thank you all for watching. Have a great day.